How to do Uber Eats background check. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can do a background check on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to conduct a background check, all you have to do is, we can't use the app, so we will open up our browser, and what you want to do is you have to go to this website, which I'll make sure to drop a link, which is drivers.uber.com. I repeat again, drivers.uber.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. When you're here, make sure that you are also signed into your Uber accounts if you haven't already. And once you have done that, over here, in my case, I have already ran a background check, but if you haven't, you'll find one of the options that says your background check option here, and once you select background check option, you should be able to go ahead and then basically do a background check on Uber Eats. This way you should be able to do Uber Eats background check. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.